Are you looking for ways to straighten and grow your hair? Stitch braid is one of your best options. You can see these styles in the video, whether heart shape or this rectangle shaped stitch braids. They are very good and they are hair friendly. Stitch braid should be your go-to whenever you want to grow your hair. And also it gives you that unique look and also keeps your hair healthy and strong. This stitch braid helps to grow your hair as quickly as possible. Whether you have virgin hair or relaxed hair, stitch braid is very good for hair growth, and it's also simple and you can wear it to anywhere you want to.